November 1st, 2017, Wednesday after work at my pond. Not too much sunlight left or daylight, not any sun at all. But here we go. Gonna let her go and keep fishing. There's a better look at her. Nice healthy little fish. Gonna let her get a nice release on her. Yeah. Alright, here we go. She's gone. Let's get back at her. Not too much sunlight left. Fish number 2, little crappie. There you go. Nice little colors on her. Gonna get her back in there. Hard to see, but you're gonna have to trust me. That's another crappie. Woo-hoo.